So let's go into this place and you get to see, as you can see, it's a functional maggot production facility. We have staffs here producing all of these maggots for us every day, right? And that is the beauty of having a maggot farm. When you have a maggot farm, you have your workers there. Every day they will be producing these maggots for you so that you can get to feed to your livestock. In these whole ponds you're seeing here, we have been able to design them in such a way that we'll be harvesting maggot from each of the pond every day, right? This is why when you own a maggot farm, every day you're having feed to your livestock. The consistent increment in the cost of livestock feed is a global challenge farmers are facing. But this strategy we are using here is all about we converting waste into body size of maggots and then feeding them in ponds like this, harvesting them, and then feeding to our livestock, right? So let's go to the other section of the black soldier fly larvarium so that you see how we are doing all of this, right? Because right inside of this place as well, we also have these maggots here, and then they are feeding in all of these ponds. Let me get the hand trowel so that I get to show you how these maggots get to feed and what they look like when they are feeding. Show them those other ponds, show them the ponds so that they get to see how we carry out this process. So now in all of these ponds here, we have these maggots buried everywhere, right? And this is something that you can also do this as well, right? But this is something you require the knowledge for you to get started if you want to do it. So bring it close. Let's show them how these maggots are feeding in their ponds because they are everywhere actually. But let's show them this ones here. So you see, this is how these maggots feed. And they convert all of this waste like this into their body sizes. Then we begin to harvest them, feeding to our livestock. And like I said, we have them in all of these ponds. Maggot farming is something that if you're into commercial production of fish, pigs, poultry, birds, you also have to produce this and then feed to your livestock just to help you reduce the cost of feeding your livestock animals. It's all about organic waste conversion into body size of maggots like this. And globally, we can integrate a maggot farm for you where you can also be producing these maggots you're seeing here on a large scale. So if you'd like to get started with this strategy today, share this video and drop a comment below now to get started. You're welcome.